Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're a pool owner looking for an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to heat your in-ground pool, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be reviewing the top 5 solar pool heaters in the market that are designed specifically for in-ground pools. So sit back and relax as we take you through our top picks. And don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information on these products. Solar Pool Supply Swimisi Solar Pool Heater. The Solar Pool Supply Swimisi Solar Pool Heater is a versatile and high-quality pool heating system suitable for all kinds of pools, including above ground, in-ground, and hot tubs. The system uses revolutionary new attachment methods to provide a secure and leak-free connection, eliminating the headaches of cheap threaded fittings. The solar panels are made in the USA and are tested and certified for product quality, ensuring longevity and high performance. The system features premium optimum seal valves with excellent flow characteristics that never require lubrication, ensuring a lifetime of superior performance with a high flow rate and pressure resistance of up to 150 psi. The comprehensive package includes all the mounting hardware necessary to secure the system to a roof, ground rack, pergola, shed, pool house, or even just laid on the ground. Additionally, the package comes with free tech support from a team of solar professionals. Extreme Powerist 90100 In-Ground Pool Solar Panel. The Extreme Powerist 90100 In-Ground Pool Solar Panel is an excellent option for those who want to extend their swimming season while keeping their costs low. These panels are constructed from high-grade materials that are proven to withstand all types of weather conditions. The system is designed to work with above-ground or in-ground pools, and each kit comes with two 2x20 panels made of lightweight, flexible, and durable black polypropylene. The panel tube construction maximizes heat transfer from the sun to your pool, keeping it warm and comfortable for swimming. The number of panels required depends on the size and location of your pool, and some websites offer estimates to help you determine how many panels you need. The system is easy to install, and once in place, it requires little to no maintenance, produces no greenhouse gases, and is cost-effective. A diverter kit may be required for pumps 1.5 horsepower and greater, and panels are hand-cut and may not be identical in size. SunQuest Solar Pool Heater Panel. The SunQuest Solar Pool Heater Panel is a customizable and cost-effective solution for extending your swimming season. These panels can be placed on the ground, a rack, or roof with included hardware, making them highly versatile. They are more cost-effective in the long run. Properly sized and installed, a SunQuest solar pool heater can raise pool water up to 10, which keeps the pool warm and extends the swimming season. For optimal results, a liquid solar blanket or cover can be used to maintain heat. Made with premium quality and superior technology, these panels are durable and reliable, with high-rated performance and second-to-none reliability. The MaxFlow design features two odd headers that improve water circulation, leading to less back pressure on your existing pump and filter. SunQuest solar panels are professional grade, with quality that is equal to or better than other systems costing thousands of dollars, making them a superior value. Thanks for watching our video on the best solar pool heaters for in-ground pools. We hope this video helped you in your search for the perfect pool heater. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.